a car that shouldn't exist, a car so daring, it threatened to rewrite the very identity of its brand. This wasn't a production model, not even a limited-run hypercar. It was a statement, a provocation, a glimpse into a world Audi wasn't sure it could even survive in. This is the story of the 2027 Audi Concept C. But here's the catch. What happened next shocked everyone. The Concept C wasn't born in ordinary times. It emerged in 2027, a year when the automotive world was spinning on its head. The era of gasoline dominance was over. Across Europe and Asia announced bans on combustion cars. Investors were funneling billions into electric startups. Politicians demanded sustainability. Customers wanted speed, luxury, and eco-consciousness all at once. Audi found itself at a crossroads. Once a proud innovator with Quattro dominance in rally, Le Mans victories, and sleek road icons like the R8, Audi now risked fading into the shadows of Tesla's disruption and Porsche's EV supremacy. Inside Audi's headquarters in Ingolstadt, Germany, one mission echoed through the halls: redefine the brand. Show the world Audi isn't just adapting, it's leading. Prove that luxury, performance, and sustainability can live in the same machine. The Concept C wasn't designed to be sold. It was built to make a point, to stake Audi's claim in the most brutal race the auto industry had ever faced. But from day one, the odds were stacked against it. Audi's engineers faced a nightmare. The Concept C wasn't just sketched by humans. It was co-created by artificial intelligence. Algorithms simulated millions of shapes, constantly adjusting curves, angles, and airflows until the computer declared the perfect form. The result was something no one had ever seen before. The Concept C looked more like a starship than a sedan. Its sharp, liquid-like surfaces bent light in impossible ways. Its front fascia seemed to melt into the ground, while the rear stretched out like the tail of a comet. But here was the problem. Building it in the real world was almost impossible. Engineering struggles. The ultralight battery materials overheated in early tests. Entire prototypes shut down mid-run. The AI-generated aerodynamics worked beautifully in simulation, but in reality, they confused even Audi's most seasoned engineers. The cost of manufacturing even a single body panel was astronomical. The press wasn't kind either. Some called it brilliant, but others mocked it as a science project with wheels or a spaceship that forgot how to land. And the rivals weren't waiting. The rivalry. Porsche had the Taycan Turbo S, pushing EV performance into supercar territory. Tesla taunted the Germans with faster acceleration numbers and promises of self-driving. Mercedes unveiled EQ concept cars with interiors so luxurious, they made Audi's prototypes feel outdated. Every day, the Concept C wasn't ready. Audi looked weaker. But the greatest danger wasn't Tesla, Porsche, or Mercedes. It was politics. In 2027, Europe tightened its sustainability laws. If the Concept C couldn't prove eco-credibility, it risked being banned before it even hit the road. Audi wasn't just racing rivals, it was racing against extinction. And yet, Audi refused to give up. Inside a guarded facility in Ingolstadt, the engineers pushed themselves past breaking point. Nights turned into mornings. Failure after failure piled up. But with each setback, they found a sliver of hope. Finally, breakthroughs came. Aerodynamics. Using AI, Audi achieved drag coefficients lower than anything ever attempted. The Concept C literally sliced the air like a blade. Performance. Thanks to advanced solid-state batteries, the car delivered instant torque that could hurl it from 0-60 inches under 2 seconds. Whisper quiet, but devastatingly fast. Interior. Step inside, and it wasn't a cockpit. It was a digital sanctuary. Autonomous mode folded the steering wheel away. Augmented reality turned the windshield into a living, interactive canvas. Materials weren't just sustainable, they were luxurious. From plant-based leathers to solar-charged textures that glowed softly at night. When Audi finally unveiled the Concept C, the world didn't just look, it stared. Public reaction. Crowds gasped. Critics who mocked it now whispered, "Is this the blueprint of the future?" Fans christened it the Electric Phantom. And rivals? They knew something had changed. This wasn't a car meant to sell in dealerships. It was Audi planting a flag in the future and daring everyone else to chase it. Legacy. The Concept C became more than a machine. It was a message. Audi would not fade. Audi would not follow. Audi would lead. For collectors, it became a dream. For engineers, it became a challenge. For fans, it became proof that innovation was still alive in Germany. The Concept C was more than wheels, metal, and circuits. It was hope. It was defiance. It was the future, humming quietly in electric silence. The 2027 Audi Concept C proves one thing. Sometimes a car isn't just a car. It's a revolution. It's a dream with wheels. But now, I want to know from you. What's your favorite futuristic concept car, the one that makes you believe tomorrow has already arrived? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash the like button if you love cinematic car stories, and don't forget subscribe, because here on GearFlick, the future is always closer than it seems.